Okay, I'm going to surface of the table, and we've got a CD-ROM. Why isn't that CD-ROM flying off the end of that table? Because there's something between the CD-ROM and the table's closing it. Same as if you rub your hands together, what happens? Your hands get hot. Yeah, so there's a force in between the CD-ROM and the table as the force is between your hands, which is friction. So I'm going to show you something that we can use to cut down the friction, and it's just using a simple CD-ROM, a sports bottle top, a balloon, and a pack of blue tack. And basically what we're going to do is actually put blue tack around the CD-ROM and around the sports bottle top and stick it on top. And there's good scientists, as we do, here's one I prepared earlier from Blue Peter. So basically we've got the blue tack on there, the balloon is over the sports bottle top and it's stuck on top of the table. As before, the slight CD-ROM is not going very far. But if you open the sports bottle top, blow your balloon, put it on top, just to see it again.